The benefits of having skylights in your home are obviously the daylight, fresh air, if you get the venting units. The best advice I would give to homeowners thinking about doing a renovation is think about the skylight beforehand, because it's so much easier to get the framing done when all the drywall is out of the way. So it saves a lot of steps, but if you're using the proper people, it's a relatively easy task. If you're not using somebody that is certified, you don't know if you're covered. I became a certified installer because they support you technically, service, marketing. The product is top notch, so you don't have to worry about it. They back the product up really, really well. They have a great warranty. They don't leak, and at the end of the day, my client's gonna be happy.
The benefits of using a certified Velux installer is that they've been trained by Velux. They have all of the necessary coverage, and it gives you peace of mind knowing that your installation is going to be done right. A great place to find a certified installer is to go to our website, velux.ca. There you can enter in your project information, and we will handpick a group of installers that is right for your project.